Are you tired of spending hours chopping, dicing, and pureeing ingredients by hand? Meet this Twomeow 4-cup food processor, electric food chopper, a compact yet powerful kitchen tool designed to revolutionize your meal prep. With 2 bowls, 2 speeds, and 4 blades, this versatile chopper tackles everything from vegetables to meat with ease, saving you time and effort. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this food processor is a must-have for every home cook, how it solves common kitchen challenges, and why it's the perfect addition to your culinary arsenal. Let's dive in. Why you need the Twomeow 4-cup food processor. Meal preparation can be a daunting task, especially when juggling a busy schedule. Whether you're a parent preparing healthy baby food, a fitness enthusiast crafting nutrient-packed sauces, or a home cook experimenting with new recipes, the Twomeow electric food chopper simplifies your workflow. Its small but powerful design delivers professional-grade results without taking up valuable counter space. Say goodbye to uneven chops, sore wrists, and tedious prep work. This food processor is here to make cooking fun, fast, and efficient. Key features that set it apart. The Twomeow 4-cup food processor is packed with features that make it stand out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. Here's a closer look at what makes this electric food chopper a game-changer. Dual 4-cup bowls for versatile prep. With 2 food-grade bowls, you can chop vegetables in one and meat in the other, preventing cross-contamination. Alternatively, use one for chopping and the other for sauces like pesto or avocado dip. The 4-cup capacity is perfect for small to medium batches, ideal for singles, couples, or small families. Double S-shaped 4-blade system. The 4 blades work in tandem to chop, mince, and puree ingredients evenly in just 6 to 10 seconds. This unique design ensures consistent results, whether you're dicing onions or grinding nuts. The blades are made of durable stainless steel, built to last through countless meals. 2 speed settings for precision. Choose Speed I for soft ingredients like fruits and vegetables, or Speed 2 for tougher tasks like meat or nuts. This flexibility allows you to customize the texture, from chunky salsas to silky purees, with a single press of a button. Safe and stable operation. The non-slip ring at the base keeps the chopper steady during use, while the low-noise motor ensures a pleasant cooking experience. The food-grade bowls are healthier and more durable than plastic alternatives, giving you peace of mind. Easy to clean and maintain. The detachable cover, bowls, and blade assembly are dishwasher-safe, except the motor, making cleanup a breeze. Rinse under running water or pop them in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Risk-free purchase with after-sales support. Twomeow offers a 2-year warranty and a professional after-sales team. If you're not satisfied, their risk-free guarantee ensures a satisfactory solution, making this a worry-free investment. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. The Twomeow 4-cup food processor isn't just a gadget. It's a time-saving, stress-reducing kitchen companion. Here are the top benefits that make it a must-have. Saves time and effort. With its powerful motor and sharp blades, this chopper cuts prep time dramatically. Chop onions, mince garlic, or puree baby food in seconds, leaving you more time to enjoy cooking or relax with family. Versatile for all recipes. From salsas and sauces to ground meat and nut butters, this food processor handles a wide range of tasks. It's also a fantastic baby food processor, ensuring smooth, nutritious meals for your little ones. Compact and user-friendly. Its small footprint fits easily on any countertop or in a cabinet, while the intuitive design makes it accessible for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. No complicated setup. Just plug in and start chopping. Who is this food processor perfect for? The Twomeow 4-cup food processor is designed for anyone who values efficiency and quality in the kitchen. It's perfect for busy professionals. Streamline meal prep for quick, healthy dinners after a long workday. Parents. Create homemade baby food with ease, ensuring fresh, additive-free meals for your child. Small households. The 4-cup capacity is ideal for singles, couples, or small families who want restaurant-quality results without the bulk of a full-size processor. Health-conscious cooks. Whip up nutrient-packed sauces, dips, and purees to support your wellness goals. Culinary enthusiasts. Experiment with new recipes, from homemade pesto to minced meat for gourmet burgers. Why choose Twomeow over competitors? Compared to other 4-cup food processors, the Twomeow offers unique advantages. Many competitors lack dual bowls, forcing you to wash between tasks. Others have weaker motors or noisier operation, which can be frustrating. The Twomeow's double S-shaped 4-blade system and low-noise design set it apart, delivering superior performance and convenience. At its price point, it's a steal for the quality and versatility you get. Final verdict: a must-have kitchen tool. The Twomeow 4-cup food processor, electric food chopper is a compact powerhouse that transforms meal prep. Its 2 bowls, 2 speeds, and 4 blades make it incredibly versatile. While its safe, practical design ensures ease of use and cleanup. Whether you're chopping vegetables, grinding meat, or pureeing sauces, this food processor delivers consistent, professional results. For anyone looking to save time, reduce effort, and elevate their cooking, this is the ultimate kitchen companion. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.